Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can use comments in the Power Apps and Power Automate. But before that, here is a short intro. Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can utilize the new feature which is available into the Microsoft Power Apps, which is comments. We can apply comments into the Power Apps, Canvas apps, model driven apps, and even in the Microsoft Power Automate flow. I will guide you in this quick introduction video how we can add comments and view them. Okay, so first of all, I am in my Microsoft Power Apps development environment and I'm going to my apps. I have already created several apps, and just to demonstrate how we can add comments, I'm going to open one of the apps in the edit mode. Let me try to do this and open it in the edit mode. Okay, now the app is opened. So by default the new comment adding functionality, to add a new comment functionality is by default enabled, so we don't have to make any changes into the settings to make it available. Okay, so let's see, I want to add a comment to this progress bar component, so I can select it from here or I can select it from here and right click, and there is one option to add a new comment. So when I click on this new comment, it will open up this window. I have already added one comment, which is this one a few minutes ago, and this one as well. Okay, and this is a common section for all the components for which we have added comments. For example, this button looks good comment is for this one. As you can see, if I hover over it, it will open up this small icon of comments. If I close it and click on this, it will open up these comments. Okay, so let's say I want to add awesome. So this is the comment, how we can add it. I can click on this new button, I can just go and edit this comment, I can delete this comment, I can resolve this thread. Okay, these are the different functionalities which is available as in the comment sections for us. We can add the comments into the screen itself, so the same process we have to follow. We need to select the screen, then we can add a new comment. It will also show up in here in the same pane. We can go control by control. For example, this is a link control. I want to add a comment, I can select it from here, right? Nice link. So all the comments which are added into this app will be shown in here. I can click on this new comment button as well, and it will add a comment in here without selecting any of the controls. So I think this feature is much more useful in case of when you want to provide some context about the component, how your screen will work. Do you have any feedback for your component's design or anything which you wanted to share with your colleagues who are using the same app as you? Okay, we can also use the Power Apps components into the model driven app as well. So here I am in my Power Apps again, and let me try to open one of the model driven apps. This is my model driven app, and I am going to open it into the edit mode. So to add the comments into the model driven app, we cannot go and right click because it will not show that option. But what we have to do is we have to select that particular component, for example this one, and then I can go and click on this comments button in here, right? And then I can add a new comment. This is in an email from comment, for example, and I can press Ctrl plus enter to post it, or I can hit this button the same way. Okay, So when I add this comment in here, that particular component will have this icon which says the number of comments which are available for this component, and when I click on it, let me just do that, it will open up the same page again and it will display all the comments about that particular component. This is common, same as the Power Apps. So if I go and do that same thing here, if I go and click on this comment, add new comment, this is contact form, save. So here it is have its own one comment and this is has its own one comment, so this is different per component. So if I go and click on here, it will open up that one comment for the contact form. If I click on this email forms comments, it will open up the email forms comment. Okay, the other thing is the same way we can use these comments feature in the Microsoft Power Automate as well. So I have created one test flow. Let me go and open up in edit mode. So as you can see, I have already added one comment in here. This is for searching the user. This is just I have added for the testing purpose. So the same thing we have to follow in here. We can click on these three ellipses and select a new comment, or we can click on this comment section above and then add a new comment. Nice feature. Where is it? Nice feature. Yeah, now here it is. Okay, so this is the reply to this thread or something like that. Yeah, is if I can edit my comment, I can delete this thread, I can resolve this thread. Let's say I want to resolve it. So what it will do, it will just go and mark it as resolved. If I want, I can delete it, I can reopen the thread and all like that. So let's delete that. Okay, so this is the basic intro about how we can use the Microsoft Power Apps comment feature in Microsoft Power Apps for the Canvas app, model driven app, or Power Automate flow. The another main update is we can use these comments into the model driven apps, but we cannot export it as a solution. But what we can do is we can export the entity of this comments table and import it into the another environment if we want to have the same functionality into the another environment as well. It is not supported to be exported as the solution because it has some user collaboration data into that. Okay, so yeah, that's it in this video. See you again. Bye.